In actual, I'm going to discuss about how to fix MySQL not recognize internal or external command. So if I write their command prompt and if I write this place MySQL, then you can get this message MySQL is not recognize internal or external command. So how to fix that issue? So first here, let's go on this C drive, then program files, and here press M. Then on this place you can see MySQL. MySQL folder is there. Then you can go on this place MySQL server. Then you need to go on this bin. Then you can see there are lots of files including MySQL also there. So you need to copy this path. Then after let's write this place edit system environment variable. Then click on this environment variable and here select the path. Click on edit and here new paste. Now let's click on OK, OK, and here OK. Thereafter let's open this place. You need to open here command prompt. So let's write here cmd. Now if I write there MySQL, so this times there is no any problems internal or external related things, there is not there. So now I'm going to show you to do the connection of MySQL. So this is too simple. Right there mysql.exe. Thereafter right here -u login with root and -p. Now if you press give the password. So this is now this is connected here with MySQL. Okay, MySQL, this is connected here. Thereafter if I write there so databases. So all the database that's displaying this place. If you want to use here Sakila, so right here use Sakila. So database change. Now this time's going to display all the tables in this Sakila. So right here show tables. Then you can see all the tables that's displaying. So this is how we can fix that issue. How to MySQL not recognize internal or external commands. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.